So, hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to today's session. So, we'll be starting today's SDP on Git and Github session shortly. Our trainer Ankita ma'am will be joining us for today's session. So, just a quick update before we start. The registration link is working now. So, those who were waiting to register can go ahead and complete it. Also, please make sure you are joining with your registered email ID for attendance and use the same Zoom link for these sessions. And yes, and also remind your friends and fellow mates to hop in. And let's wait for a few minutes to everyone to join, and then we will get started. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, let's wait for a few more minutes for everyone to join, and then we will get started. So, another one update at 8 o'clock, you guys will have the placement talk. So, please be So sorry guys. So we have our placement talk coming up next. So I request everyone to stay connected. And yes, so I definitely recommend the staying for the session. So uh, at 8 o'clock we will have our placement talk. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. I would request everyone to use the public chat itself. Good evening. Good evening, guys. Yes, I hope you're all doing well. Yes, Kshitij Singh, you can also use the uh, public chat as well. Good evening, everyone. Yes, we'll just wait for a minute or two more. We'll just wait for everyone to join and then we can start off. We'll just wait for a minute or two. All those of you who have raised your hands can put your hands down. All those of you who have raised your hand can put your hands down. You can raise your hand when you have a doubt. Also, guys, I have enabled the rename option, so you can go ahead and rename yourselves. I have enabled the rename option for all of you, so you can go ahead and rename yourselves. Please rename yourselves with your name instead of your device name or anything like that. Check what your name is and rename yourself with your name. So I see a lot of people have joined, with different names and numbers. Please make sure you rename yourself so it is easier for me to refer to you and maybe, answer your doubts. Please rename yourself, everyone. Yes, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Please go ahead and rename yourselves. There are few people who have just joined with, numbers as their name. It will be very difficult for me to communicate. So make sure you rename yourselves. Yes. I see a good number of participants even today. Good to see all of you have joined. And I can see in the chat there are a lot of people with a lot of doubts from yesterday. So I will be covering all of that. Do not worry. How to rename? Okay. So in the meeting on top where your name is there, where your name is there, when you move your cursor there, there will be three dots present. Click on those three dots. There will be an option to rename. That is the last option to rename yourselves. So once you go there, you will be able to rename yourselves. Just rename yourself and join the meeting, everyone. No, do not give me your names in the chat box. I mean, rename yourself in the. Okay. I hope my voice is clear now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I hope my voice is clear now. Okay. So we will just start off. And I think yes, all of them have joined the meeting. Good to see. We'll start our class. I see you have a lot of doubts from yesterday. So that also I will be covering. And yesterday, I think, with installation of Git and all of that, a lot of you couldn't understand how to, edit your MS. Your name is visible to me as Bharat MS. So no worries. You don't have yourself. Yes. So yesterday, a lot of people had a lot of issues with, what the options we need to tick, right? So I will be teaching you all of that all again today. So don't worry about it. Just be a little patient. As and when I am doing it, I will pause in the middle so you can also do the same on your systems. Also, I will be giving you instructions. Please follow those instructions and do it simultaneously. Okay, follow the instructions that I am giving you and do it simultaneously, all of you. Okay, so just give me a moment. I will share my screen. Before that, let me, since I have already installed Git Bash, let me just uninstall it and then I will help you out. Just give me a moment, everyone. Let me just uninstall my Git Bash and then I will install it all over again. Okay, just hold on. Yes. Okay. So I'll just share my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. A quick yes or no in the chat box would do, or just a Y would do. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Got the answer. Now, what I am going to do is I will simply type git hyphen scm. Enter. Okay. Or basically, wait, I will type git hyphen scm.com and enter. Everyone, make sure you are on this page. If you have not installed Git Bash to your laptop, I am teaching you how to do that. So make sure you are following each and every step. I will simultaneously be repeating what I'm doing. Also, I'll be showing you what I'm doing. So make sure you are doing it together with me. Yes. Once you reach over here, you will have an option of install for Windows, right? You will have an option install for Windows. Just click on that. Okay. Once that is done, you have an option. Click here to download. Top, if you can see, there is an option. If you are using Windows, stay on Windows. Under that, you are on Linux. Under that also, you will be able to see. We will restrict it to Windows and click here to download. We will click here to download. As soon as I've clicked here to download, if you can see, it will start downloading. I've clicked on. Guys, I am not speaking anything. On Mac, there is an option over here for Mac. You can click on that and download it. On Windows, you can download it from here. For Mac, you can download it from here. If you have no laptop, please make a note of everything and keep it. You can download it later. As you can see, here it is downloading. Only 4 seconds are left and then it'll be done. Once that is done, just click on this. It will ask you for a permission. Click on yes. Make sure you reach till here. Just click on git-scm.com, download the file under Windows and reach here. The preamble part, the general public license part. Make sure you reach here. I will give you a minute. Make sure you reach here. Then I will move from the steps from here. Because your downloading could take some time. That's why I'll wait for a minute and then I'll tell you how to go about it. Yes, in 32-byte also is fine. I will tell you what is the use of Git after downloading it. First, download. For Mac, if you can see next to the Windows only, there is a Mac option. There, all the steps are written on how you can download. Please follow those steps and download it. For download, click on git-scm.com. This page will appear, and then you can go ahead and click here to download. If you can see, there is an option, click here to download. Click on that and download it. Once you have downloaded it, the minute you click on it, it will get you to this page, which is your Git setup. So reach here and then I will tell you what to do. I'll just wait for a minute and then I will start. Follow the steps, and once you are here, I will start. Guys, please do not ask unnecessary questions to me in the chat box right now. We are trying to download something. If you have questions related to the download, let me know. If you already have it, you don't have to download it. If you do not have it, you have to download it. If you have questions related to the download, you can ask me. If the screen is not visible, there is an issue with your internet. Yes, Khushi, if you already have it, you do not need to download it again. If you already have Git Bash and you have installed it, you don't need it again. For Mac, I have already repeated. Right next to Windows, there is Mac OS. Click on that and follow the steps written there. You will be able to download. Okay. Just a yes in the chat box. How many people have reached this screen, this Git setup part, where this preamble and all of this is there? Just a yes would do. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much. Let's move on then. Good, good, good. Got it, guys. Got it. Let's move on. Okay. As soon as you reach here, first option, as soon as you get this GNU General Public License, click on Next. Click on Next. Once you reach Next, there is this setup part, right? For this setup part also, you will be clicking on Next itself. Okay. Now, here the options that you are getting, select components. For select components, all the boxes that are ticked, leave it as it is. Only one change you have to make. Second option on the desktop, turn that on. Turn that on. Totally, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes ticked. Make sure 9 boxes are ticked. You can tally whichever box is ticked and which is not. Just have a look at my screen. Make sure all the 9 boxes that I have ticked are the same 9 boxes that are ticked in yours. The only change I've made is on the desktop, I have done the tick mark. All those of you are following me, just put a yes in the chat box. Who have reached so far, just put a yes in the chat box. Thank you. Great. Great, great, great. Okay, wonderful. On the desktop is done. Now, click on Next. Here you're getting an option, select Start Menu folder. Git is there, whatever it is there, leave it as it is and click on Next. Leave it as it is and click on Next. Okay. Once you are over here, choosing the default editor used by Git, leave it as it is and click on Next. Once you are here, choosing the default editor, leave it as it is and click on Next. Now, over here, you have two options. Let Git decide. The other option is override the default branch name for new repositories. The default option is tick mark at let Git decide. You will not check that. You will check on the override part. You will check on the override part. Okay. You will not click on Git decide. You will click on override part. I will start over again. Just 1 second. When you are on the preamble, this part, the preamble part, the GNU part, okay, just click on Next. After that, you have select destination location, leave it as it is, click on Next. Then you have select components. Here, everything will be tick marked except you're on the desktop. Make sure you click a tick mark on that. Turn on the desktop. Once that is done, click on Next. Once that is also done, you will have a Git option. Done. Click on next. After this, choosing the default editor, leave it as it is. Click on next. Over here, you have two options. Let Git decide. The other option is override the default branch name. Click on override the default branch name and click on next. And click on next. Now, if you can see, you have three options. Okay. For these three options, option number one is use Git from Git bash only. Option number two, Git from command line. Option number three, use Git and optional Unix. Click on option number three. Click on option number three. Once you have clicked on option number three, click on next. All those of you are following so far, just put a yes in the chat box. Wonderful. Great, great. Okay. Coming back. We'll start again. Coming back. You have choosing the SSH option, right? You have the choosing the SSH option. Here you have two options. One is the use bundled. The other one is the use external open SSH, right? In this, what you are going to tick mark on is use bundled, which is the default option. Click on that. Click next. Now you have use the Open SSL library, use the native Windows Secure Channel library. Click on use the Open SSL library. Click on use the SSL library, Open SSL library. Click on use the Open SSL library. Okay. Once that is done, click on next. Okay. Now you have three options, right? For these three options, whatever is the default option, first one is the default option, let it be as it is, click on next. Now it is giving use min TTY, other one is use Windows. Leave it on use min TTY only, click on next. Next you have merge, rebase, fast forward only. Leave it on merge. Put a tick mark on merge, click on next. Git credential manager, none. Leave it on Git credential manager, click on next. Enable file system caching, enable symbolic links. Click on enable file system caching and click on install. Then it will start installing. That is all you have to do. How many of you are with me? Just put a yes in the chat box till this is installing. Okay, great. A lot of you with me. Nice, nice. Let this install completely in your systems. Now, guys, come back on the Zoom meeting and watch carefully what I am doing. Come back on the Zoom meeting and watch carefully what I am doing. Come back on the Zoom meeting, everyone. Just one step. Come back and watch what I am doing. Come back on the Zoom meeting and watch what I am doing. Now, as soon as this page appears, as soon as the installation is done, this page will appear. Simply click on finish. After you are done with finish, a page like this will appear. Just cross it and close it. Just cross it and close it. Come back on your desktop. Over here, there will be Git bash. There will be an icon called me. Do it so far and just put a yes in the chat box. Everyone who's following me, once you reach so far, just put a yes in the chat box. So I will move on. Wonderful. Good. Good to see. Nice. Now, over here, first thing we are going to type. Okay. First thing that we are going to type is basically your Git version. Git space hyphen hyphen version. Just type this. See my screen and type that. Git hyphen hyphen version. Git hyphen hyphen version. Yes. Once you are done, click on enter. It is going to give the version. I think everyone is getting the version 2.55.0. Windows point 4. All the Windows users, if you are getting any other version, please type the version name. Okay. Once that is done, okay. Once that is done, type LS. Type LS. Now, a lot of you yesterday were asking, ma'am, what is LS? LS is basically where your, okay, even if your version name is different, no problem, guys, no problem at all. Now, what is LS? As soon as I type LS, all the files that are present in my system are going to be visible here. All the files in my directory, in my main directory, there are files like recent, saved games, searches, start menu. All this is in my directory. LS is basically the short form for list. Okay. All the list that is present in my directory will be visible over here. Okay. Now, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Do it so far and hang on. Do it so far and hang on. Even if you're getting a different name, as in a different, how do I say, a different version, no problem. Just do it till there and hang on. Okay. Now, all the people who have a doubt related to the installation part, all the people who have a doubt related to the installation part, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand, all the people. Okay, fine. Ayan Khan. Yes, Ayan Khan, please unmute yourself. You are able to unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Yes, please tell me what is your doubt, my dear. Ayan, am I audible? Because I cannot hear you. Ayan, am I audible to you? I cannot hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me what is your doubt.
I'm in the step complete the Git setup wizard. I'm
Okay,
confused.
share your screen. Share your screen.
1 second.
Or just turn the camera and show me your screen. I'll help you out. Guys, all those of you have a doubt, be ready with to unmute yourself and be ready to share your screen or to show your screen. Be ready with it. If you are ready, only then raise your hand or else put your hands down. Yes, Ayan, are you able to share your screen?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm finding out how to share.
There is a share screen option in
Host
the middle of the screen.
attendance screen sharing.
Okay, just 1 second. I will I will enable that for you. Tony, can you please enable them to share their screen?
Yes, ma'am. Just a moment.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I enabled.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Guys, I think now you will be able to share your screen. Ayan, are you able to share your screen? Okay. Ayan, hang on. Okay, Ayan is sharing his screen. Yes. Please come back to your GitHub part, the installation part. Okay. Click on finish. Click on finish. Done. That is all you have to do. Now click on this cross over here. Cross. Close this. Or just come back to your desktop. Come back to your desktop. This tab you can close if you want. Come back to your desktop. Desktop. On C. On your screen on the right side bottom. Okay, yeah. Here you on the search, just type git bash. Come back to search, type git bash. Git. Open that. Yes. Now over here you type git space dash dash. No, 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 not bash. Dash hyphen dash. Go back. Dash hyphen. Put hyphen, the minus symbol. Minus. Minus, again minus. Version. VERSION. Enter. Yes. Now type LS. L for lion. S for uh, soap. LS. Enter. Click enter. Got it. This is how far we have reached. Good job. Stop sharing your screen. Okay, Ayan is done. Now we have Roshan. Roshan can, no, sorry. Yeah, Roshan. Can you unmute yourself? Yes, Roshan, where are you
Yes,
stuck?
ma'am. Ma'am, after installation process, the message is popping up like could not reconfigure scalar elements, ma'am. Just it's showing error. Like error launching
Share
Git
your
and
screen. Let me
application
just try
control.
to check. Share your screen.
Ma'am, I have a screenshot, ma'am, because I have gone
Okay,
back through
put
the
that
screen.
screenshot on the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, until then, until Roshan does that, Sai Priya Reddy. Okay, wait, I see
Ma'am, it's
Roshan's
yeah.
line could not configure an application control policy has blocked this file. Okay, I think you have not ticked the right options. You know,
No,
when I was
ma'am, I
telling
have
the setup part,
yes, ma'am, I
okay,
followed
just
you.
click on OK and try to do the finish. Just click on OK.
Yes, ma'am, I have finished everything. After going back to my desktop, while I am opening this Git Bash app, it's not showing anything.
So maybe in your settings, if you read this carefully, in your settings, an application control policy blocked this file. So maybe you have done something in your settings, else while ticking everything, you've not ticked the right stuff. So maybe you
No,
can try to do it, uninstall it and try to install it again. Maybe then it should be fine.
ma'am, I have done this for 4 times, ma'am.
Okay. So the thing is, with my steps, we are all able to follow it, but
Yeah,
you
ma'am,
are not able to. So
it has,
maybe there is a problem with your device,
yes, ma'am, yes.
which I cannot figure out like this with a screenshot.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, next we have Sai Priya Reddy. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, we don't have any system of this. We can download in mobile. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Sorry, my bad. You cannot download it in your mobile.
Because I have an issue in the system, ma'am. So that's why network is not
This is
coming.
not possible on the mobile.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, we have Bhargavi Joshi. Unmute yourself, my dear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
please tell me your doubt.
I had some issues during the downloading the app, and it got a bit delayed, and I missed the steps to download it. I'm in the starting stage. Uh,
Please share your
so
screen.
yeah, ma'am, sure. I'm not able to on my camera because I have
Don't on your camera, no problem. Just share your screen.
no, ma'am. I have downloading. I'm downloading it in my laptop, and I've joined the class in the phone, so I'm not able to share
Okay, so how can I help you, Bhargavi?
because it is now got installed and it is saying me to continue, click next. If you would like to select any different folder, click browser.
Until I see it, I will not be able to understand, unfortunately.
uh,
Please
can you
figure that out, and later, if there is any this thing, I will give you the access again. You can get your
ma'am, if I am able to on my camera, I
doubt
can show
cleared.
it to you.
Fine. Access. Okay, just a second. Yes, I think you have the option now. Yes, just check Bhargavi. I think you will be able to. Yes. Yeah, click on next. Tick mark on the desktop, Stop. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on override the default branch. Click on next. The last option, use Git and optional, last option. Click on next. Leave it as it is next. Use the first option. Use the open SSL library. Click on next. Yeah, leave it as it is next. 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 Yeah. Once this is done, in the command box, you can go and write first git version. After this is done, go to your search, type git bash. Open that, and there you will be able to do it. I hope I've cleared your doubt, Bhargavi.
Yeah, ma'am, it's clear. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. D. Srikar, please unmute yourself. And guys, once I've cleared your doubt, just put your hand down. D. Srikar, please unmute yourself. Okay, never mind. Bharat MS. Okay, yeah, D. Srikar, please tell me what is your doubt. D. Srikar, please tell me what is your doubt. Bharat MS. Yes, please tell me, Bharat MS, how can I help you?
I got the Windows open, ma'am. While I was entering the commands, it was showing like when I entered the ls command, it is showing like not showing like a column wise. It is showing like a row wise, ma'am.
That is not a
Some
problem. That is not a problem. That is also okay.
ma'am, but Windows is open, ma'am. Axer desktop, Mincom
That
desktop.
is enough. That is enough, Bharat. That is enough.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope I've cleared
Thank
your doubt. Thank you so much.
you.
Yes. Sujita, please unmute yourself. Sujita. Okay. Sujita is not there. Karthik, please unmute yourself. Karthik. Karthik, unmute. Yes. Please tell me your doubt, Karthik. Yes, Karthik. Can you hear me? Okay, never mind. Sharvari. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me.
Actually, the link which was given by
Can
you,
you
it
come a
was.
little closer to your phone? I cannot hear you, my dear.
Hello,
Hello.
hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I have 32-bit window. That's why it's not responding. So will you please guide me?
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Guys, I would really request all those of you having unnecessary conversations in the chat box will be removed from the meeting. And of course, you will not get your certificate if you're removed from the meeting. So please be very cautious about what you are typing in the chat box. It is being monitored throughout. Yes, who are we talking to? I am not able to see any screen. Are you sharing your screen? Okay, never mind. We have Hasini. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me your doubt, my dear.
Ma'am, ma'am, after installation, it is not opening. I'm confusing how to after it have downloaded, ma'am. I'm
Please share your
little
screen.
confused. Yes, ma'am. Share.
Click on next.
Hello, ma'am.
Click on next.
Yeah, ma'am.
You are facing.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've got selected a destination location.
You are on the first page, is what I can see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've clicked the next.
Yeah, click on next. There
Yes.
is what I can see. Try to share your screen again. And these options I've already told you in the class. Just try to look into it. Just click on next everything. Only 2, 3 options you have to change. One is turn on the desktop, other one is the SSH. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, I will share my screen and I will tell you the next steps that we are moving towards. Okay, I will share my screen. I hope my entire screen is visible to everyone. Just put a yes or a no in the chat box. And guys, please restrict your chat box conversations to what I am doing currently in the class. You have any extra doubts, we will clear that in the last 10-15 minutes of the class. Okay, wonderful. For all those of you who are waiting, thank you so much for being patient. We will start off again. Last where we had left is we put git hyphen hyphen version. This is your command to check the version. Okay. And when we are putting ls, that is to check the list. This is how far we have reached and this is where we have left. Okay. Now I will tell you what we are going to do. Now we are going to now see, we installed Visual Studio in our system. right? Then we installed Git in our system. Now we need to configure, and we also created our GitHub account, correct? Now we need to configure all of this. How do we configure all of this is what I am going to go ahead with. Okay. First, see what I am doing. Then I will give you the commands that you're supposed to do. Okay. But first, have a look at what I am doing. After that, you can go ahead and do it. I will give you the commands in the chat box. Okay. First thing is you will open Git bash. Correct. Now, what am I doing is I am configuring Git to my system. My system I installed. Now I need to configure. Configure basically, interlinking everything together. So what I am going to do, I will type Git, okay, config space hyphen global, okay, space user dot name, okay, space. I will turn on this. Now, what we are supposed to add over here, watch very, very carefully. What we are supposed to add over here, we are supposed to add our username. You remember when we created a GitHub account, we had a username. I will show you how to get that username also. Open Chrome, open your GitHub account. Okay, type github.com, your account will open. On the top right, there is an image. Click on that image, click on profile. Once you click on profile over here, you can see your username is coming. Can you see this? This is your username. Okay. My username is Ankita Singh 1402235. I will come back on Git Bash and over here I will type Ankita Singh 1402235 and I will close this. This is my username. I will type that. I will click enter. That is all you have to do. Okay. Now, I will give you the commands one by one, but first watch carefully what I am doing. Then you can go ahead and configure all of this. Okay. Once I have done my username, right? Next, what am I going to do? I will configure my email ID. Okay. So I will type the same thing, which will be configure hyphen global space user dot email. Okay, email. Then I will again open the colon with the email address that I created my GitHub account. Okay, with what email address did I create my GitHub account? I created it with the email address. I'm going to add that. Ankita Singh 1402235 at gmail.com. This is the email ID that I had used to create my GitHub account. I've entered that. Now I will enter. Correct? Now, what are we going to do next? Simple. Now, I want to check that these are the two things I have entered. Two details of mine I have given. I want to check is it configured or not. What will I do? I will type git space my bad. Git space config space hyphen list. Enter. If you can see carefully, over here you see my credentials that I have given is just got saved. The credentials that I have given is got saved. Can you see that? Yes. Now, this is what you have to do. I will give you the commands in the chat box. Okay. You have to open your Git bash. First thing you're supposed to type is this. Second thing you're supposed to type is this. Third thing you're supposed to type is config list. Okay. You can already see my screen. Please go ahead and type all of this. Okay. And I will tell you one more thing. For username, I have added my username. For email ID, I have added my email ID. You will not add my username or my email ID. You will add your own username and your own email ID. I will just in the chat box type and give you the command also. It is git space config space, one second, git space config space hyphen global space user space, user. Guys, do not use the chat chat box. I request do not use the chat box. I request do not use the chat box. Please wait. Do not use the chat box. Nishant, do not use the chat box. Yes, the command that I have put is the first command to set your username. Once that is done, you will type the next command, which is for your email. Okay, which is this. First, you are going to do your username, then you are going to do your email. Once that is done, you are going to type git config hyphen list. These are the three usernames. Do not use the chat box, anyone. Wait for a minute or two, then I will clear your doubt. Do not use the chat box. All of you who are doing it, do it. If you're facing any errors, just wait, be patient for a minute or two. I will help you out. These are the commands I have. You can see my screen or you can check the chat box. It is visible in both the places. Please have a look at it and follow the steps. Do not type anything in the chat box. Prince, do not type anything in the chat box. All the commands I have typed and put in the chat box, try to copy it exactly. Even if you miss a single thing, you will not get the output. Try to copy it exactly. Type your email. Do not, Prema, please do not write anything in the chat box. Hold on for 2 minutes. Do not use the chat box, guys. Yeah, everyone, please go ahead and do this. If you are done, please wait. If you are not done, please be patient. I will come back on the screen and clear your doubts. Yes, just give me 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Exactly at 7:50, I will come back on screen and start clearing your doubts. Until then, try to clear it by yourself. Try to see if you've made any mistake in the command and try to do it by yourself. You are supposed to type all this on your Git bash where you were checking the Git version and all, right? There only you have to type all of this. Type all of this there. Make sure you are typing all of this over there only. I will take 1 more minute and then I will tell you what to do. Type all of this. Once you are done typing, just hold on. Okay. Now I'm hoping all of you are done. Now, just a second. Just a second. Okay. All those of you have doubts, please raise your hand. All those of you have doubts, please raise your hand. Okay. Durga Amruta, please unmute yourself, my dear.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that I have just joined recently, ma'am, and I'm not understand how to download Git, ma'am.
Okay.
I tried to download,
So
but it's
what you can do is all of these videos are already present on your LMS platform on YouTube, all of that. Obviously, I cannot summarize 3 classes for you. So watch that, and from tomorrow's class, you will be able to catch up.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. Guys, please ask me doubts if you have related to the installation. Please ask me doubts if you have related to the installation. Right now, what I have taught you, if you have doubts related to that, please ask me that. Yes, Saima, please unmute yourself.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Saima, please tell me your doubt.
So, ma'am, I have one doubt. I have joined from my office laptop, and I do have a corporate GitHub account. So, if I will configure to my personal GitHub, in Git Bash, so it will affect for me, during my corporate GitHub account.
Yes, it will. Eventually, not today, but eventually, maybe from tomorrow's class, it will. So, what you can do is you can make a note of everything, and maybe later you can log in from your personal laptop.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Tapasvi, please unmute yourself. Yes,
Good
Tapasvi,
evening.
tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, I was stuck.
I'm sorry.
Can you please able to turn on video,
Please share
ma'am?
your screen. Share your screen.
Actually, I was in my laptop. I'm listening my class in my mobile.
Yeah, so turn on the camera in your mobile and show me your laptop.
It's saying you can't start your video.
Okay, 1 second. No, you can start your video. Just try to check it once. You will be able to start your video. I have
Yes.
also given you asked to start your video.
Mm.
Yes.
Where I have to-
Okay. Show me your screen.
Camera. Ma'am, can you see?
Okay, you've done
Excuse me,
till the
ma'am.
LS I've put in the chat box. Just follow those commands. So whatever your username is, type it in the place of your username. Whatever your
Okay.
email ID is, type it in the name of your email ID and go ahead. I had just taught you that. Go ahead and do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Mohammed Moin, please unmute yourself. Also, guys, if I do not see that you have renamed yourself, then I will not be giving you the permission to unmute. So first you need to come join the meeting with your actual name. Then only you will have the option to unmute. So there's somebody with the name 990. You will not be able to unmute yourself. Yes, Mohammed Moin, can you please unmute yourself? And guys, please be ready to show me your screen, else I will not be able to clear your doubt. Mohammed Moin, will you unmute yourself? Okay. Aparna, please unmute yourself. Aparna, please unmute yourself. Yes, Aparna, you can speak. Aparna, are you there? Aparna, are you there? Raghav Reddy, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. So I got two doubts. The first one is I downloaded Git yesterday only, but I didn't got the tick options like you got it. Just downloaded itself, and when I checked its version, it's showing it's installed with some versions. Does it work?
I'm sorry, come again. Come
Ma'am, I
closer to the
downloaded.
phone and then speak.
Yeah, ma'am, I downloaded Git yesterday itself, ma'am. The thing
Okay.
is, I didn't get the tick options like you got. it downloaded itself without giving anything, and after installing, I checked its version and it's showing the version.
Okay, perfect. So did you do the configuring part that I've taught you today?
Yeah, ma'am. On the configuring one, I did it in terminal, ma'am. Does it work?
Yeah, you can do it in the terminal also, not a problem.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Sia Gaikwad, please unmute yourself. Sia Gaikwad. Sia Gaikwad. Shweta, please unmute yourself. Yes, tell me, Shweta. Please tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, can I please on my video?
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, but I'm not having access to on it.
I can see you, Shweta.
Yes, ma'am. One minute, ma'am. Just ma'am, actually it's showing like this, ma'am.
Yeah, I think this is exactly what I also showed you.
No, ma'am, it's getting error.
Where is the error? That is not an error. At the end, you are getting your username, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, one second. After user, you have put space and then dot name. That will not work. After user, please check in the chat box. There is no space. The command you have given is wrong. It is not configured.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Sonia Ansari, please unmute. Sonia Ansari, please unmute.
यस मैम।
Please ask me your doubt.
मैम मैंने वो जो आपने स्टेप बताया मैंने वो किया। मुझे बस इतना पूछना था कि जो मैंने किया वो करेक्ट है कि नहीं।
Okay, show me your screen.
वन सेकेंड। मैम इज इट
At the
विजिबल?
end, okay, one second. Credentials. Okay, yes, at the end is your username and this coming.
दिस मैम
No, towards the end. Actually, no, you have not configured it properly. After email, if you see, there will be a space. User.email you've written, right? After that, there will be space.
यस
Yes.
हियर
So please
आफ्टर
check
टू।
the commands once again and then do it. And maybe your email ID or this thing. Also, one more thing. For email ID, your email will be your entire email, not just your. I don't know what is your email ID and what is your username. I will, on username, when you go to your GitHub account, you will be able to see your username. I will show you that if you want, but this is wrong. This is not correct.
ओके मैम।
Okay. Okay, guys. For the rest of you, please hold on for some time. I will clear your doubts. We have something for you right now. There is a small announcement. There is a small thing. So just hold on. I will clear all your doubts. Just put your hands down. Do not unmute yourself. Do not turn on your camera. Just hold on for some time. I will help you out. Tony, you can take over.
Hey guys, can you please raise down your hands? So we will have a placement talk. Sheetal is gonna present you about the placements and all. So I request you all to raise down your hands and focus on the session. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Tony. Guys, give me just 1 minute. So, good evening, guys. I hope I am audible and my screen is visible to everyone. So, I won't take a long time. I was just in the session and I found it very engaging. I'll not take a lot of time from you people. So, to all the students and all the professors who have joined in here, good evening again. So, in XLR, today I would like to talk about the placement. So in XLR, we just don't train the students or support the learners, but in XLR, we focus on the students to give them a career enablement ecosystem. So it's just not about the skill, but also about the skills plus the mentorship plus the placement support. So now let me just take you through a quick walkthrough on how we take up this national skilling network to upskill. XLR was founded by alumni of IIM ISB, having 5,000 plus recruitment partners, and it has 13 plus years of excellence in training and placements. We have about 2,000 plus academic institutions as collaborators, which include premium institutions like IIT Roorkee, IIT Mumbai, and BITS Pilani. We operate at a national scale with standardized quality proven systems, hiring connections across India where we have a presence in 8 cities such as Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, and Noida. And our learners are spread across the world through our online training. We also have a strong connect with the academic institution close to 2000 plus, and we have major alliances and accreditations such as iHub Divya Sampark, AP Naipunyam, APSHE, Task, Swayam Plus, and many more. We also have association with BFSI sector and Electronic Sector Skill Council that has really made it possible that you are learning from the same ecosystem. You can see here, we have through a decade of training excellence, we have conducted almost 1000 plus webinars and 30 plus technical courses. We have around 2 lakh faculty development programs and around 8 lakh plus students who have been in our student development programs. So all this, it works and it is not a one-time program, but a continuous process where we try to upskill our learners in the best way possible. What truly sets us apart is our training programs at IIT Roorkee, where we have trained faculty, research scholars, and students on time series analysis and predictive analytics. So, the same expertise level trainers with the same curriculum, you will be trained in the same model and level. We've also had a faculty development program on full stack development at IIT Bombay. And this was a student initiative from BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, where we had conducted programs on Power BI and machine learning. So, apart from all these, we also have retail courses with placement assistance. We have category of training programs under one roof with the placement assistance. XLR here is going to support you and understand you from theory to practical and skill mastery to reach your dream job. So it's just not a classroom or an online training, but above and better than that, where we give you training by top notch faculty. We also have live expert led classes on up to date curriculum. assignments and real world projects with dedicated support mentors, assessments, evaluation, and certificate for course completion, resume building and LinkedIn profile, and also mock interviews, placement assistance with the hiring partners, and at the end, on job campus drives and direct interview calls with the companies. So we have a defined placement process. So once your course completion is done, we have the profile building where we help in building your resume and restructuring your resume. Once the profile building is done, we move on to the skill validation where we would have multiple mock interviews, above which brings us confidence to crack the interviews. Then we move on to the aptitude test, the technical and the HR support. And we would move you to the companies where after the interview readiness is done, you will receive calls from XLR and the placement team, and you will be attending the interview calls from the companies. And through all these process, XLR will be supporting you through the different stages of your interview also. In addition, you yourself will be able to visualize and get to know through the XLR tool about where you have been in the interview stage. And after all the process is done, your details will be uploaded by the XLR team and you will be able to view the openings. So you can also track your progress or which stage of the interview you are through the XLR tool. So this is all made possible as we have 11,000 openings. We have 5,000 plus hiring partners and 100 plus learners who are currently in the process. So you need not just search for jobs, but upskill and update your resumes. So as you can see here, these are few students who have been placed in the past. Now just let me take you a quick walkthrough among our classroom in different areas. So those were our few institutions in different areas such as Bangalore and Pune offices. So now I will just hold the screen for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now to reach your destination, your career map, all you have to do is a little push and hard work from your side. So you can see this QR code here. Whatever queries you have, you can just drop in there and our placement team will be getting in touch to you. So any kind of queries, you can just drop in the scanner there. Those who have raised your hands, if you have any queries, please scan the QR code and drop your queries. And the team will be getting in touch with you shortly. So I think most of you who have joined in here have already scanned the QR code. As I told, kindly wait. If you have any queries, our team will be getting in touch with you. So that's all from my side. Thank you and happy learning. Ankita ma'am, you can just take over the session.
Thank you so much. Yes. Guys, I hope you've scanned. Attendance link will only be shared at 8:30, not right now. Nandika, it will only be shared at 8:30. Also, the scanner is in the chat box. All those of you who weren't able to scan can scan now. Okay. Now we will get back to our work where I would want all of you who still require assistance with what I had just taught to let me know. You can raise your hand and I will clear your doubt. Yes. Bhargavi Joshi, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I have done what you have said, but I don't know is it correct or at the end I'm not able to see my email or the user ID.
Okay, share your screen.
I'm not able to.
Okay, just one second.
Yeah.
Yeah, now check, you will be able to.
Yeah, I'm able to. It's right like this. I have entered the command and the output is like this. After the ls, the
One
output is
second,
like
one
this.
second. You've gone wrong with something, I think. Maybe your username or email ID, something you have gone wrong with.
Now I have checked it twice and it's the same.
Okay, move
Here
towards
it
the end
is.
of the screen. In the output,
It's
move
the
towards the end of
name.
the screen.
Yeah,
In
one
the
second.
output, move towards the end of the screen. Go a little closer. Go back on the command you have given. A little more towards this side, towards the left. Okay. The last command that you've given is ls. You're not supposed to give ls. You're supposed to give a different command, which is git space config space hyphen list. Then you will get your username. Your last command is wrong. First two are correct. The last one is wrong.
Okay.
config space hyphen. I am sorry, I have missed the command. Just hold on.
Okay.
Hyphen list.
Hyphen list.
Yes.
Yeah, I've got it.
You're getting it? Wonderful.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Harshini, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, Harshini.
when the in our college when the we are on the random. Sorry, ma'am.
I'm
In our
sorry.
college, I given a username as something random, which is not in the GitHub account, not the username which is on the GitHub account, but I given some random. Uh, but the push and pull all are successful when I done the project. Is there any future problems,
Yes.
or I can
I mean,
change
on
now?
GitHub, you have given a random username, right?
No, ma'am. I given to the git bash global username, which is the command of the hyphen global username. There I given some random username,
Yeah,
which
so
is
then you will not be able to configure in the future classes.
can I change now? How can I
Yes, you
change it?
can go ahead and change it.
So again, I have to give the command
Yes,
and set the username which is in the GitHub. Is it okay, ma'am?
yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Kushi Rajpurohit, please unmute yourself. Hemant, please unmute yourself. Yes, Hemant, please tell me your doubt. Hemant, are you there? Tara Chavan, please unmute yourself. Khushi Rajpurohit, please unmute yourself. Khushi, are you there? Khushi, are you there? I cannot hear you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me, Khushi.
I'm stuck in configure.
Please show me, share your screen.
Ma'am, I am unable to share.
You will be able to share
Okay.
or start your video. You will be able to share. Yes.
Yes.
You need to
You need to
configure.
configure.
The
The
commands are in
commands are
the
in
chat box.
that
Please
box.
have a
Please
look
have
at
a
it
look
and
at it and
configure.
configure.
Yes, Hemant, please unmute yourself. Yes, please tell me, Hemant. Hemant, am I audible because I cannot hear you? Hemant, I cannot hear you. Are you able to hear me? Sonia Ansari, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
Ma'am, again same doubt that configure wala, ma'am.
Share your screen. What is the doubt here?
Ma'am, is it correct or wrong?
Wait, go back to how it was. Go back to how it was. I think it was minimized. Minimize the screen again. Just 1 second. Global user dot name. Okay. After name, a space is going to come. After email, a space is going to come.
Uh, where,
User
ma'am?
dot name space. user.email space. You cannot edit it there. You have to type the command all over again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shloka, please. Shlok. Please tell.
Yeah, wait, I will present
I'm
my
sorry.
screen first. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
And the screen is visible, right?
That is also visible.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a doubt. As you said, we have to write our username. But after
Right.
this, do I have to enter, enter or what should I do next?
First, close the this thing that you've opened. Close that. At the end of it, close it. No. Are. In the command. Go back. Open Git Bash.
Should I?
Over here. Wait, no. Wait, hold on. You have written git config hyphen global space user dot name. After that, you've opened the colons, right? Close that. Open, you have put before Shlok Loya. At the end also, you have to close it. Put the same symbol again. On your
You
keypad,
mean I don't need to add colon and stack here, right?
that is your username, right?
Yeah, it is my username.
Yeah, after the
So do I
username is
have to
done, you have
add
to
one more
close it.
colon?
How you open brackets, it's necessary to close brackets, right? Similarly, how you've opened this here, you will have to close it. Yeah, enter.
Okay, got it.
Now
Thank
type for email and then type the list part. It will be visible.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Varshini, please unmute yourself, my dear. Sakshi, unmute yourself. Nishant P, unmute yourself. Varshini, Sakshi, and Nishant, unmute yourself. Yes, Nishant, please tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Nishant.
Ma'am, I'll share my screen, ma'am. Please look at it.
Please, Nishant, go ahead.
Ma'am, I will share my screen now. Please take a look at it. Hello.
Yes, Nishant, please share your screen. We are waiting to see your screen, Nishant.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Git hyphen version. Okay. Type git git. Type git space hyphen version. version. Enter. Press enter on your keyboard. There you go. Sakshi, unmute yourself. Roshni Kulkarni, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, Hemant, you are audible, but turn off the speaker in your computer. Turn off the speaker and the audio in your computer.
Wait a second.
You have logged in from two devices. So in your laptop, reduce the volume to 0 and turn off the mic.
Now I'm audible.
Yes, please tell me.
My laptop has a issue of mic, so that's
No
why I log
problem
into
at all.
another
Share me your
device.
screen and tell me your problem.
Okay. I have done what you said, but I am not sure that I have done correctly or not. Can you
Please
see?
show me your screen. I will help you out.
Okay, wait. And can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. So user.name you have written, no? After that, space will come.
Where?
After user.name, space will come.
It's
Same in
not
terms of
coming.
email. The command given is wrong. Yes. So I see all the doubts have been cleared. Nobody else. So we will move on from now. Okay. And please, guys, every time I'm giving you a command, I am also pasting it in the chat box. Please be a little attentive. You will not have these doubts. And I would request, do not use the chat box for unnecessary things. When I am asking you something, please use it only then. Else, do not use it. If you have any doubts, I will give you time to solve. I will help you out, but you need to wait. Do not, unless I ask for a yes or no, do not use the chat box. Okay? Because then the important stuff that I put just goes off. Okay? Coming back. So, yes, I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Just a yes in the chat box would do. Wonderful. Okay, done, done, done. Fine, fine. Got it, guys. Got it. Yes. Now I'll tell you what you have to do. On your desktop, okay, create a new folder over here. First, watch what I'm doing and then go and do it. On your desktop, create a new folder. Okay, I will name this folder Git space demo. Enter. Okay, I created a new folder on my desktop. And right now, if you can see, it is an empty folder. Nothing is there. It is an empty folder. Okay, now I will tell you what we will do next. Right? Once that is done, remember we installed Visual Studio Code. We will open that. Once you open Visual Studio Code, you will get whatever you get over here, new file, open file, whatever you get, click on open folder. If nothing is visible over here, okay, simple, as soon as you open Visual Studio Code, on the top right, there is something called as file. Click on file, click on open folder. Over here, select desktop and click Git demo, select folder. Then you will see Git demo will be visible over here. As of now, this is how it will be visible to all of you. Now, I would request all of you to go ahead and do this. Go ahead and do this. Then I will tell you what to do next. Okay, I will tell you again, just 1 second. Stop using the chat box. I will tell you again. Stop using the chat box. I will tell you. Stop using the chat box. Yes. Hold on, guys. Just a minute. Hold on. Let the attendance link come. You can fill the attendance and then I will show you this again. Just hold on. Just hold on for a minute, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We'll share the attendance.
Yes, guys, the attendance link is in the chat box. You can go ahead and fill the attendance list. Link, sorry. The attendance link is in the chat box. Please take a minute and fill it, everyone. The attendance link is in the chat box. Please go ahead and fill it, everyone. Please fill the attendance link, everyone. Okay, I hope everyone has filled the attendance link. Now, coming back to what we are going to do. Okay, I will show you again. Let me just share my screen. I will show you again. First, what you have to do is on your desktop, create a file folder over here. Simple, left click, click on new, folder option will come. Click on folder, name that folder Git demo. Okay, name that folder Git demo. Once that is done, open Visual Studio Code. Simple, go on your search, type Visual. You will get something like this, app, Visual Studio Code. Open that. As soon as you open that, on the left top corner, there is an option called File. Click on File, then click on Open Folder. Once you click on Open Folder, select Desktop, and on Desktop, Git Demo and select Folder. Then you will be able to see on the left side, there is something called as Git Demo, which is visible. That is all you have to do. Just do it so far. Once you are done, just be patient and wait. I will tell you what to do next. Just do it that far and wait. Create a folder called Git Demo on your desktop. Once that is done, open Visual Studio Code. Once you open Visual Studio Code, on the left top corner, there is an option called File. Click on File. Once you click on File, there will be an option of Open Folder. Click on Open Folder. Once you click on Open Folder, then you will be able to get select the Git demo folder that you had just created. On the left side, you will be able to see Git demo. Okay? Yes, just 1 second, guys. Do that, everyone. Yes, Prajwal, please unmute yourself. Prajwal, please unmute yourself. Prajwal R, please unmute yourself. Prajwal R, please unmute yourself. Yes, Vishwa, just 1 minute, I will show you. Prajwal R, please unmute yourself. Okay, Prajwal, you need to understand one thing. Spamming in the chat box is not going to help. Got it? There is a time that I give for clearing the doubts. That is the time you're supposed to ask your doubts. Even if you're stuck in the previous step, I will help you out. But you need to wait. You spamming messages in the chat box is just going to, I will not be able to see the important things. Okay, Bharat MS, I will tell you again what you have to do. I will tell you once again what you have to do. If you have a doubt, just raise your hand and hold on. I will tell you what to do. Okay, just a second. I will share my screen and show you again what you have to do. Just hold on. Yes. On the desktop, you have to create an empty folder called Git demo. How to create? Left click, new option will be there. From new option, click on folder. Once you click on folder, name that folder Git demo. Once that is done, open Visual Studio Code. As soon as you open Visual Studio Code, on the left side, top corner, there is something called as file. Click on file. As soon as you click on file, there will be one option of open folder. Click on open folder. Once you have clicked on open folder, since we created this file on desktop, click on desktop, then click Git demo and click select folder. Then on the left side, you will be able to see Git demo folder. Over here, you will be able to see Git demo. That is all you have to do. Just do that much. If you haven't got it yet, raise your hand. I will help you out. Okay. Sukesh, unmute yourself. If you're having a doubt, be ready to unmute and be ready to turn on your camera. Else, do not raise your hand. Sukesh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just unmute. Sorry, Sukesh. Just unmute. Please
Yes.
tell me your doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Can I share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, please go ahead.
Is it right, ma'am?
Yes. See, on the left side, you're getting Git demo, right? That is all
Yes.
you need. Good.
Okay. Ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
I have stopped here, ma'am.
Yes.
1 minute, ma'am. Here, ma'am.
Done. Your doubt is cleared.
After how to create a Git code, ma'am?
Git code.
I mean, username.
Username, already you created GitHub account, right? Yesterday.
Yesterday I did added, ma'am.
Okay, so that is a problem. You can go and check. You have to create a GitHub account, then you will get a user ID and password. You'll have to enter all of that here.
Here we should enter, ma'am.
Yes, with the
Okay,
commands that I have given.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
First,
you.
you have to create GitHub account, follow the commands, configure. Once it is configured, then you should start Visual Studio.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Rajesh Rai, could you please unmute yourself? Rajesh Rai, please unmute yourself.
Hello,
Please
ma'am.
tell me. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, quick question. Just want to understand, like during Git and GitHub, why we are learning VS Code, and do we need to learn VS Code before learning Git and GitHub?
So the reason we are learning Git and GitHub and VS Code together is because for us to be able to configure anything, right, we will have to do the initial, the initial commits that we have to make or the initial development that we have to do. We usually do it on Visual Code itself, right? Any language, since it is so language friendly, we do it over here. When we make changes over here, what we are trying to see is when I am making changes on my laptop, it is also visible on GitHub, right? Because I said when Git and GitHub is both there, what happens? I will make systems or I will make changes in my local system and it will be visible on my online platform, which is GitHub, right? So how is that possible? To do that is why we are learning this visual code part. So later we can see how every change I make in my laptop is also going to be there on my online platform, which is GitHub.
And ma'am, one more question, ma'am. Actually, I don't know VS Code because I do understand Jupyter, Google Colab, and I'm a student of I'm a candidate of data science at
Okay.
XLR. but I was
Okay.
learning about VS Code. Like I really don't know. So like, do we need to prepare
There's no
something?
problem. Even if you do not know, I will walk you through it completely.
Wonderful. Okay, thank you,
So,
ma'am.
like from scratch. So, if you can see, I am starting from a part where, opening a folder is what I am teaching. So, I will do it from scratch. You don't have to be worried at all. I hope I've answered your question, Rajesh. Okay. Fine. Vishwa, please tell me your doubt. Please unmute yourself and tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, I created folder. Then what should I do, ma'am?
Share your screen.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm listening Zoom in my phone, ma'am.
Okay, show me, like turn on your camera and show me your laptop.
It is disabled, ma'am.
Just a second. Yes, please try it now. Yes. Go to the search bar down. Search.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Type visual, VISUAL. Open that. The one that is on top. Open that.
B.
Okay. Now on the top left, do you see file?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. On that file, there is open folder option.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Open that. Click on that. Yes. Now on the left side, click on desktop.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now over here, Git demo. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Select that. Down there is an option called select folder. Click on that.
Yes.
Done. That is all you have to do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Priya Ankita. Oh, Priya Ankita.
Ma'am, I've already installed Visual Studio installer, ma'am. But after opening, it is showing like again you have to install. It is showing, ma'am.
Please share your screen. Close this. Go to your search option down. 1 second. Go a little closer. The second option that you are seeing, no, where it is a blue color logo. Second, no, left. Second option. Yes, open that. You have not installed it. Install it and then you will be sorted. Vidya Deeksh. Please unmute. Please tell me your doubt. Can you hear me, Vidya? Okay. We have Sindhu Bola. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Okay, yes, Vidya, please tell me. Vidya Deeksh.
Ma'am, I have executed the thing that you told,
Okay.
but that is right or not, I can't identify.
Share your screen. Open in Visual Studio, click on File. On the left top corner, click on File. Okay, yeah, you're sorted. That's it. That's it. Okay, now we will start off with the next part. Okay, what are we supposed to do next? So I will just share my screen. There is nothing you have to do. Leave it to so much. I will tell you what it is, and then you can maybe do it I mean, there's nothing for you to do as of now. Just watch what I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing. So here I've opened a folder. I've opened my folder, which is my Git demo. And so once I open it on my left side, I can see Git demo. Okay. Now, there is a Git bash. That is your terminal. Okay. Here again, I'm opening a terminal. So there'll be three dots. There'll be terminal. Click on new terminal. Something like this will appear down. Okay. Something like this will appear down. So if you can see, this is PC, C drive, users, Ankita, OneDrive, desktop. What is this? Right? You can see something like this over here. What do you think this means? I'll tell you. This is basically the location of this file. I will show you exactly how. It says C drive, then it's in my PC, C drive. Okay, so what I will do is I'll open this PC. I will open C drive. Okay, now if you can see, what does it say? Inside C drive, there's something called as users. Inside users, there's something called as Ankita. Fine. So we will go back. There is something called as users. I see it. Now inside users, there's something called as Ankita. I see it. Now what next? After that is done, inside Ankita, there is something called as OneDrive. Inside OneDrive, there's something called as desktop. So inside this, there will be something called as OneDrive. Let's scroll down a little bit. OneDrive. Inside OneDrive, there is something called as desktop. Yes, got it. Now, inside desktop is where my Git demo is there, if you can see here, right? This is basically what this stands for, right? For all those of you who are into coding, not into coding, this is something you should know. This is where the location of your file you will get to know. Now, if you have installed Git Bash properly, over here also your Git Bash will run. This is also a terminal. Over here also it will run. What will I type? Git space hyphen hyphen version. Enter. Do you see my version is visible over here? Yes, which means my Git Bash has been installed properly. Got it? Which means my Git Bash has been installed properly and it is present in my system. This is just somewhere where you are going to check this part. That is all. Okay. Now, the next steps that we are going to be looking into is your clone and status. How to clone, right? Before push and pull, we will be looking into how to clone. What is clone? Okay, I will show you. Now, example, my profile is there. I will open github.com. Okay. My bad. Yesterday I had deleted the repository, right? I will just add that repository again. Just give me a second. This you have already done. I am just doing it because I deleted it. So here there is a new option. I will click on new. Then I will type git underscore demo. Okay, it is available. Description. This is my first project. Okay. Then choose visibility will be public. All those of you who missed the class can watch. This is exactly what you have to do. Leave this on. I will create repository. Once my repository is created, once the repository is done, I can see my file over here and there is only one commit. Now I will change this and I will add one more line, which is author hyphen Ankita thing. Okay, commit changes. I will leave it as it is. I will commit the change. Now, if you can see, when I go back, here it says, sorry, I will go back to my home and I will go to my repository. If you can see, there are two commits because there are two changes made. Now I will make one more edit, which is after this line, I will add this. This is a command or basically, an HTML language part to break the line, to move to the next line. So I will commit the change again. Here I will add it as next line. Okay. Or wait, I will add it as move to next line. Commit changes. Now, again, when I go back on my profile, I will go on my repositories. This is present over here. I will open this. You can see there are 3 commits made and this is my entire repository. Just one second. I will delete this particular repository so you don't get confused. Just a second. This was already done yesterday. You do not need to do it again. This I have already done. This is what your GitHub account should have. The rest of it, I will tell you what to do. Okay, never mind. I am not able to delete this. Something I've written wrong. Okay. Okay, never mind. I am not able to delete this. I don't know why. That was just a captain. Okay, so that is about it, right? So as of now, I'll tell you how far we have come. We know how to create our repository, right? We know how to create our repository. And then we also know how we have to, tomorrow, what we will start off with is how to, clone a particular project. So let's say my project is on GitHub. I am making changes in my laptop, how it is going to be visible on my GitHub as well. Let's say I'm making changes on my GitHub, how I will be able to see it. This is what we will be looking into tomorrow. So I would request all those of you who've missed anything so far, please make sure you are up to date tomorrow, because from tomorrow we're getting into a little complex part and we will have to do it a little quicker, right? We will get into a little complex part and then we will continue. So that is about that. And tomorrow we will be looking into the cloning and all of that, the further steps, and the main part we will be looking into. And also, for all those of you are asking, uh, after you're opening the folder, just leave it to there. We will start the rest of it from tomorrow. Just leave it there. Do not do anything. We will start the rest of it from tomorrow. Now, anyone who has any kind of doubt, please raise your hand. Okay, Raghav, please unmute.
Yeah, ma'am, I wanted to ask one thing. Since the course is for 15 days with 2 hours, no. So by the end of the course, will we be able to understand everything in Git and GitHub properly? Like we will be able to tell if anyone asks us what is this specific function is used for this
Definitely.
specific.
Definitely, if you are listening throughout the class, if you're attending all the class, then definitely you will be able to answer, not just answer, you will also be able to demonstrate, you will also be able to maintain your GitHub profile, how it works, what happens, everything you will be able to look into.
Ma'am, because it's already day 3 and 6 hours are done, ma'am. But I feel like we haven't covered much yet. So that's why I
Okay,
wanted to
so
know it.
initially, since we have beginners as well, we need to start with the installation part. So once that is done, we will be good to go there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Surya, please tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, my VS Code setup was not finished yet, ma'am.
Okay.
That's the problem. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, share your screen. I will tell you how to do it. Yeah, just I accept the agreement. Next. That's all. Next. Next. Just keep doing next, next, next. Done. That's all. Rekha, please tell me your doubt. Rekha, please tell me your doubt. Prajwal R, you can tell me your doubt now.
Madam, when I open my VS Code, so when I open my VS
Share
Code,
your screen. Share your screen.
so I am listening class in my phone, ma'am. So I can't
Turn
share.
on your camera and show me your screen.
Okay. So this is my VS Code, madam.
Okay.
Now, when I start
On
to
the
run,
left side, click on File. That is okay. If there is an error, no problem. Just on the left side, follow the steps that I've done. If there is an error, no problem.
yes, ma'am. Files.
Just follow the steps I've taught you. Click on File on top. On top,
Yes.
there is File. No, on top. Yes. Open folder. Open your Git demo here. Click on Desktop. Desktop option. Yeah. Click on Git demo. Are you? No.
Madam, I already created my Git repo, so I can't find that. So
Click on Desktop on the left side first.
I create a new folder, ma'am. Wait for a second.
Okay. Bharat MS, please tell me your doubt. Rekha, please unmute.
Ma'am, ma'am, this one I have created a Git demo, ma'am. While I was running the Git command in the VS Code, it was showing error, ma'am.
Share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I'm running. I'll share it, ma'am. Ma'am, screen I am unable to share, but it is showing some kind of errors. Some kind of error it is showing, ma'am.
You will be able to share your screen. Just try it once.
Okay, ma'am.
Without seeing the screen, I will not be able to help you, unfortunately.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing the screen.
I cannot see the screen, Bharat. Now I can.
Yes.
Please tell me.
It is showing some kind of errors, ma'am.
Go
If
closer.
it is showing some kind of issues, ma'am.
I cannot see the screen. Show me your screen. Go closer to the monitor. I mean the part where I can see. Okay, guys. We will start off from here tomorrow. So hope to see you guys again tomorrow at 7 p.m. We will have our class. So I will see you there. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Bye. Bye.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. So we will move tomorrow's session. So hope you guys have filled the attendance form. If not, the attendance form or I already shared that. Don't forget to fill it. And the registration form is working now. So those who are asking about the registration link, go and check it out and fill the registrations. So yes, guys, thank you, and we will meet tomorrow.